Hi, this is Arpit Nagaria from Tricentis. Today we are going to learn how to verify an email in Outlook via Tosca. So basically you need to import your 8-pack version specific in your standard modules. So after importing you will see the 8-pack. After 8-pack you will see a standard module folder. Beneath this you can find the Outlook standard modules. So these are the basic standard modules. So in a test case, which is verify email's existence and content, I will use basically two modules. Select folder, which basically allows you to dig into the folder, whichever the folder present in your Outlook. And also this Outlook operate item list. So this module helps you to verify some contents or in your Outlook, like you need to verify email body, you need to verify subject line, like that. So you can use this module. So basically in this test case, I will dig in this folder and I will use this module to check whether the body of the email is this and the subject line is this. So through this I want to validate this particular email is present in my Outlook or not. So I will run this. So it will take few seconds. It is executing the test case. So it will first dig into the folder to find the particular mail. Then it verifies the particular body of the mail and the subject line and gives the output as a success message. So it is passed now, as you can see. So what I need to verify this mail here in my Outlook. I need to verify this mail. As you can see, my test case is passed and I have verified this mail. So the subject line of my mail is test mail. Here also for cross verification you can see that the subject line of my mail is test mail. So this is how you can verify the email body and content by using our Outlook engine via Tosca. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you like the video. Thank you.
Are you new to using Tricentis Tosca? We've got the perfect course to get you started automating your own test cases and bringing you up to speed. Automation Specialist Level 1 is a 3-day online course where you'll learn the basics of automation using Tricentis Tosca, including how to create and automate your own test cases, ensuring stability and lowering maintenance. Once you have completed the course, you will be a certified automation specialist. For more information on our core trainings and special topic trainings, visit tricentis.com/academy.